Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Reddit mobile app on your phone to find easy fixes when the Roblox is not launching. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the top, tap search bar and type in something like Roblox not launching or Roblox want to paint. You will see a different community shows up. Tap into one of these communities and scroll through the post. Many Roblox players shared the exact problem you might be facing, like the app freezing, crashing, or not opening at all. When you tap a post, read through the advice in the comment section. Common solutions people share include restarting your phone, deleting and reinstalling the Roblox app, making sure iOS is updated, checking your internet connection. If you find a tip that looks useful, you can save the post by tapping the three dot and selecting save. That way you can come back to it later if needed. If none of these posts help, you can write your own. Tap the plus button, choose the right community and describe your issue in details. For example, when Roblox crashes and what iPhone model you are using. And that's it. With the Reddit mobile app on your phone, you can quickly find real solutions and advice from other Roblox players if your game won't launching. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.